Hi guys, this is 15 Indiana Jones again. Today I'm going to show you how to make cookies. You'll need is some wheat, some cocoa beans, looks like a brain, and put the cocoa beans in the middle and the wheat on the sides. Then you'll get 8 cookies. Very delicious. You can only have 8 cookies in one stack, so that's kind of sad. You can't stack it to 64. We'll throw this away because I need to. Oh no! I need to put this wheat back. And close the door and take some cookies and have some party and eat some cookies. Have some vomit party. Thank you for the cookies. And that's how to make some cookies. Next time I'll show you how to make a cake. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye!